Hindi ko naman talaga planong mag-Netherlands, pero alam kong hindi na ako pwedeng manatili kung nasaan ako. Akala ko kasi dati, stability ang sagot. Stable job, stable routine, and stable na life. Pero habang tumatagal, may kulang eh. May part sa akin na gustong mag-explore. Gustong makita kung sino ako outside of what people expected me to be. So, I said yes. Yes to moving abroad, yes to uncertainty, and yes to starting over. Hindi siya madali actually. May lungkot, may culture shock, may mga gabing tahimik na ikaw lang mag-isa. But somewhere in that quiet moment, I found my freedom. Freedom to redesign my life, freedom to build differently, and freedom to choose peace and ambition at the same time. Minsan hindi ka aalis dahil sa takot, sa galit, or may kulang pa sa buhay mo. Aalis ka kasi alam mong may version of you na naghihintay sa kabilang mundo. I'm Elle, and this is how my Netherlands story started.